In this video, I'm going to focus on a power of a product property, and I'm going to go through 5 examples with you. But just to reiterate, I did an example in my first series of this video, first video of this series, and that is when we distribute our power to every part of the term. So we're going to distribute and then simplify as needed. So these are the 5 examples I'm going to do here, and you're going to notice that we have a product happening, and that product is going to be multiplied to a power. So we want to distribute our power to every part of our term. So my first example, 2 times 3, if you can simplify first in parentheses, because PEMDAS says simplify what's in our parentheses first. We actually can simplify here because what's in our parentheses is 2 numbers. 2 times 3 is really the number 6, and I'm going to take 6 to the second power, or 6 times 6, and get 36. But I want to show you that that property I had talked about here of distributing works exactly the same way. So I notice I have a 2 and a 3. Each part of the term, every number, every letter, if we distribute that power, we'd get 2 times 2, or 4, 3 times 3, which is 9, and 4 times 9, again, is 36. So that distribute holds true here. Distribute that power. So I want to distribute my power, my 3 here, to every part of the term. Every number, every letter will get that power. Now I only need to simplify the number 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, x cubed, y cubed. I'm just going to circle my answer here for more emphasis. Now negative 2, because I have parentheses, I'm going to keep my parentheses. That's going to get squared, and my x will also get squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and then we have x squared. Now look at how this is different. See, the negative is outside, opposite of 2 squared. So notice how I'm keeping my 2 in parentheses as it was. So my 2 gets squared, my x gets squared would be the opposite of 4x squared. So notice how that set of parentheses is very important where it is with your negative symbol. And now again, distribute your 3 to every number, every letter. 5 to the third power and x to the 2/3. Now if you already have a power there, a power of a power, you multiply your powers. So 5 cubed, and then my fraction here, 2/3 times 3, is going to cancel out my 3's. Sorry, my dog's barking in the background there. And then 5 to the third power is 125, and x squared. And that is our power of a product rule.